Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying essentials. Your PayPal account must be verified and match the name on your Google account. This prevents declines. Once ready, open Google Play and tap your profile icon, then Payments and Subscriptions. Make sure you're on the account you want to modify because Google stores payment methods per account. This avoids adding to the wrong profile. Tap Payment Methods, then add Payment Method. This first step moves you directly into the link process without detours. You now select PayPal as the new payment method. Google will redirect you to PayPal's secure sign-in. Enter your PayPal credentials and carefully review the billing agreement Google requests. This authorizes Play to charge your PayPal for app and subscription purchases. If PayPal asks for two-factor authentication, complete it promptly. This step authorizes tokens and prevents future interruptions. After granting permissions, you'll be returned to Google Play, where the PayPal method should appear. Make sure it's marked as enabled. You finish by setting PayPal as your default payment method if you prefer it for purchases. Tap the three-dot menu beside it and choose Set as Default. To confirm everything works, perform a small test purchase or subscribe to a low-cost item. This triggers an actual authorization and ensures saves. If something goes wrong, check that your Google Play country matches your PayPal country and that PayPal has no unresolved limitations. If issues persist, unlink and reauthorize, or contact PayPal.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.